we all just leave 9 to 5 people alone? I promise you, you can sell that product, you can market that course without shading 9 to 5 or being condescending or trying to insult them or telling them they are slaving their life away. Can we just stop? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Surprise. Surprise again, Surprise is the name. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about this thing that people do. People that work remotely, people that sell courses, people that work online. This thing that they do every time where they are always insulting people working 9 to 5. So every time you see them saying, oh, buy this course, learn these skills so you can leave your 9 to 5 job that you're slaving away for, that they're giving you 200k, they're giving you 300k, so you can leave it. You are just there doing 9 to 5, you're wasting your life. Why do you guys have to do that? Do you know you can sell a course without being condescending? Do you know people are at different phases of their life? Do you know some people don't have the information that you do? Do you know some people are just working because of circumstances? They are doing the 9 to 5 because of circumstances. Some people are just trying to feed, some people are just trying to survive, some people are just trying to live. And every day there's always this insult to 9 to 5, like it's nothing. Do you know this country will not function without 9 to 5? When the hell the remote work started getting popular? Was it not during COVID when everybody was on lockdown? Was that not when remote work became popular? Don't you know things can switch, things can change? If not for COVID, won't all of you be at the office? Or what's going on? Everybody's not acting like everybody must work remote. Sell your course in peace and go. You must not insult anybody. You mustn't insult everybody. This country will not function without 9 to 5. If everybody knows their words, like you have said, everybody said, I want to know my words like this. I know work again. Let me be doing remote. Who would attend to you at the bank? Who will attend to you at Alausa? Who will open the gate for you? Who will do security for you? I mean, there's that one 9 to 5. That one, they even stay the whole day. Who will run errands for you? I don't understand. How would the economy function? Even America, how would they function? Nobody's working 9 to 5. Nobody's in the White House. How would they function? Please sell your course and go. That's why I saw one lady the other day. She said, oh, she just redrew her YouTube earnings. Some 9 to 5 people, they are not earning this. And outside of 9 to 5, they like to tackle the most. I don't know, maybe it's because of jealousy or anything. It's bankers. If anybody has not made a video and mentioned bankers like this, they will not rest. With their fake information, they'll be telling you, oh my god, even bankers don't earn this. Are you joking? Some bankers are earning more than remote work. I have worked as a banker before. Some of them are earning more than you people working at home. Do your findings. All these things, you people go and Google online. Any salary you see there, you take it. It's a lie. Oh. Bankers, they see money. Oh. Even different 9 to 5s. People, they see money. Oh. Okay, you now. Banker is any 600k, any 800k. You now, you get a remote job, $50, $100, $200. You now say that you're a remote worker, you're better than a banker. Or your YouTube channel pays you $200, you say you're better than a banker that has security of job, that is collecting that same amount every month. That as the person keeps climbing the career ladder, their salary is increased. You know that your channel next month I can bring $50. Next month can be $50. Upper month they can demonetize you. Are you joking right now? The amount to get posted was like $200 or $300. Oh my god, some bankers are not earning this. I've not had to work in 9 to 5. You are shitting people. I went to comment. Don't try it. Don't try it. I commented. We are going to change this Nigerians mentality one after the other. If I cannot change the world, I can't change the whole Nigeria. The few people that watch this video, little by little, the information will spread. Hopefully you people can help me tell people in your circle too they should stop that nonsense. Because like from where to where? What's the unsolicited insults every time to 9 to 5 people? You know, even when I was working 9 to 5 and they used to say this, I was not really moved because I know that even with my 9 to 5, like I'm not like one of the 9 to 5 I was doing was among one of the top paying 9 to 5s in Nigeria, so I'm not bothered about all this. Hey, 9 to 5, nothing concern me. And now that I don't even work to 9 to 5, it's the best time to come and talk about this matter. So people not think, oh, I'm being biased or it's because I'm working 9 to 5, I'm feeling at blah, blah, blah. Currently, I don't work in 9 to 5, but again, 9 to 5, where I go see where, oh my, go back. Is it not set plats that is paying 3 million per month? Are people not aware of them? Do you know how much banks pay? Do you know how much oil companies pay? Set plats. Even with people doing content creation, you are selling digital products, some never make that 6 million in a year. Is that not a 9 to 5? That's why people go insult everybody. I can't do 9 to 5. I can't do this. I can't work under somebody. Tomorrow now, when things turn around, when God decide to rewrite your story and say that 9 to 5 you go and start from there, you cannot post online again. You cannot say anything. Even me, as I resign from my job, I did not say, oh, I can never work 9 to 5. I beg, tomorrow you get the kind deal, like go say I go back to 9 to 5. There's security. Some actually pay well. So what's the problem? Every day insult. You never dey insult these people. You cannot see somebody marketing something without telling you this money is more than your 9 to 5. There's a difference when it's okay, you make money now, you now say, okay, oh my God, this is like times 2 of the money I used to earn as salary. I thank God for growth. You are talking about yourself. There's no need to tell anybody this is your 1 year salary, this is your 100 year salary. Kilo fair fishy. Why? Don't let God humble you. Pride goes before you fall. If God starts with you like this, if you enter waiting season, your life will do 360 upside down. Things you never imagined, things you never thought could happen to you, it will happen to you and more. Anything can happen. The way the world switched to remote work, that's where you can switch back. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Think of me, I still have my degree, I have my certificates. If anything no work out, I can go back. You people should take it easy with this insult too. You now, you will insult people. Oh my God, you're 9 to 5, you're slaving away, they're giving you 20K. You will now go and open your own company on site, right? You have the office. You now want to employ people. Are you okay? So you want to employ slaves. Abi? You want to employ slaves to be working for you. And they never pay well. You see that 150K, 200K, they'll still pay people. And if everybody don't follow your advice, know their what, who will work for you? Nobody now. So you're looking to hire people. Why you not do remote? You know, it's not all jobs that can function as remote. Even the ones that can function as remote, some want to have offices, so their staff, they can do other things. They want to have a physical location where people can come into and all of that. It's people that work there with you too. So what's your problem? Oh, they're okay. A word's enough for the wise. You can sell that course. You can have a better hook than telling 95 people that they are wasting their life. They have security of job. They have steady income. As they go forward in the career ladder, they are getting to higher levels anymore. Most of them, not be most to 9 to 5, they process jackpot, they come out now. Even remote work, still 9 to 5. It's a full-time job. If you're not a freelancer, still 9 to 5, just 9 to 5 from home. Abby, we are still working for somebody. So what's the problem? Can you guys just take it easy? Can you take it easy? We tell people they should leave their job and come and do content creation. Ebi akpa. Okay? Ebi akpa. All these people that advise you, they will not give you 1 naira. When you want to tell someone to leave their 9 to 5 and come and do content creation, please, the way you say it, talk with love. There's no need to be condescending. Oh my God, you're slaving away, you're earning pennies, you're doing this, you're doing that. You will say your own source of income, it never steady, never balanced. They have an amount that they get every time. If you know a creator that does this, unfollow them. Don't even engage with their nonsense at all. Or you tell them your mind and go. Because like it's not the way to go at all. Our fathers and mothers have done this 9 to 5 before. When the remote work just starts? Everybody's all of a sudden remote worker with your $50. I beg you. Let me know your experience. Have you noticed this before? Do you see people doing this? Or do you think it is not that deep? I'm just overreacting. And everybody should quit their 9 to 5. Everybody should leave 9 to 5. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Spice signing out. Bye.